just me. Wala si Coach Ray, my wife. I just received a text message from Honda. Available na daw yung plate number ni Cloud, yung kotse ko. So, since Tuesday ngayon, bukas coding ako based dun sa conduction sticker ko. So ngayon ko na pupuntahan, and it's already 2 PM. Kung pagpapabukas ko pa to, baka mas mahirapan ako dahil yun nga, may color coding sa Cavite. Although may window naman siya from 10 AM to 3 PM, I don't want to risk it kasi baka mamaya traffic or something. So mabuti na yung ngayon, at least hindi ako coding, hindi ko kailangan magmadali. And yun, my wife is sleeping na kasi may pasok siya mamayang gabi. So okay, so paalis pa lang ako siguro mga 45 minutes to an hour, depende sa traffic. And yun, so update ko kayo mamaya pag kuha ko na yung plaka. Alright, thank you guys. Okay, so we just got here sa Honda Alabang. As in like, ngayon lang, kaka-park ko lang. I'm just gonna go down. Get my driver's license. Patay lang. Okay, so hindi na tayo. We're just waiting for the plate number. I think tinatawag pa ng reception yung admin to get the plate. And yun. Okay, so update ko kayo kapag nakuha. Okay, so nakuha ko na yung baka Tuesday yung coding ko. Grabe. Anyway, okay pa naman, it's Tuesday, so hindi ko muna nakakabit. Tomorrow na lang. Alright, okay, so nakuha ko na yung plaka. Ganun lang kadali yun. Nabago na yung coding ko. It's actually Tuesday na yung coding ko. Ay, no, ano pala to? Monday pala to. So Monday ang aking coding. Anyway, so that's it guys. That's the vlog today. I'm gonna go home and that's it. See you later.